It's already Red Street. Okay, I will ask now again. Again I will ask. Georgi filming me right now. Okay, I will ask about filming in Walking Street. I will ask Barangay and also police. I talked already with active. They said don't have right now document, but it's like they said please now strict right now in the Red Street. They say it is not better not filming right now. That's why you won't talk with me, no? Because someone staring at me. That's why I shy to talk. Because I don't know what guy want. So right now don't have any document. Any document they don't have. Before she said to me, you can film him, but please not focus to the girls in the side near bars, because they say maybe girls shy. Just they don't want if some problem, because maybe some of aggressive people. But don't have any rules. Don't have rules with public street. I understand. If they don't want, why I need filming in the Walking Street if they don't want, even if don't have any document. That's why I stop filming in Walking Street. I can, of course. But yes, I can. I can hide camera, but I don't like. Because if some happen with me, I need only go to police station. No one in Walking Street, Red Street, no one help me. I think police of course help me, but don't have police right now inside. Okay, we can walk in the Fields Avenue and show to you right now what's new, so noisy. Sorry, microphone forgot. I forgot my microphone. So you already understand why I'm not filming in the Red Street, Walking Street.
Don't take video.
Why?
For privacy.
Me, I can
For privacy of the organization.
not allow.
It's okay to
No, I asking you not allowed filming here. You you not allowed. You say to me not allowed filming even here.
Yeah.
Even here not allowed.
Yeah.
Why?
Because the viewers can see the girls.
Girls, where girls? Girls. We not go to inside Walking Street. We just only filming here and talk about filming. So you already see, if they see camera, even Georgi now filming me, they said not allowed even there. So you already know. And then even don't have any document. Document don't have here. I don't know. Okay, Georgi, let's go to the, come back to the Clark and show to our subscribers another Philippines, another Angeles City. It's not like this. Because even Fields Avenue, we already worried about this. So we now going to come back, walk to Georgi apartment. So active protect girls, protect business, not protect tourists. Tourists always walk with camera, you know. This is tourist. Who don't want in the video, I don't know. It's, can use face mask or not go to this place. Where Georgi? I don't know where. Where Georgi lost. Georgi talk with. I don't know where Georgi. I will call to him. Wait. Why you wait? You want to go another road? Yes.
I go here, you stay there.
Yeah, I said come back to the Clark. We go to Clark better. Really, this place is I don't like. Look like here don't have rules. One say it allowed, another say it not allowed. Don't have any document. I don't know. And I said I not go to the walking street. I just walk in the public street and Fields Avenue, another street, Raymond Street, Santos, and just one task.
Welcome to my vlog.
Hi.
Hey sir.
Normal people is not problem, you see. So people hiding, take video, it's okay, not problem. But if you want, if ask, not allowed. But hiding video, not problem. They not stop people. Natalia Hotel. I never stay in Natalia Hotel. It's my last time talk defective. I don't want to go to walking street. I just filming and not ask people, not ask active. I just walk only, not walking street, not red street. I don't want. Active, before they not help me. Two guys attack me, why not help? So how I trust now? Of course walking street for me forbidden. Forbidden street, I don't want to, even daytime I don't want to go inside. Another bloggers, it's okay, hide camera, take video, not me. I don't want. I don't like. I will walk only there. Street food's empty, don't have people also. So we're going to Clark CDC Park with Georgi right now. So you already know why I don't go to Walking Street, why I'm not filming in Walking Street. Some of comments have you need to go, don't have any problem, you can go. No, I don't want. I don't want to go to the Walking Street, Red Street, because it's not safety for me. Now not safety. Maybe in the future, maybe. Already in the Clark CDC Park. This is parking, free parking. And now we're going to walk in the park and show to you how many people now. Oh, many people in the park again.
Kasi mag-cold brew ko din, Starbucks na eh.
Clark, number one tourist destination in central Luzon. Really, number one, yeah. Clark is very good place. I like Clark. And he already prepared for Valentine's Day. Oh, you can take picture also inside. Valentine's Day, see. Next time we come back with Shira and take picture and video. Yeah, it's good. You can go inside and take picture. Not need Photoshop.
Bo, isa ka rin. O tara, posan tayo.
Oh, Georgi sit here. Yeah, can sit. Georgi now thinking because every day he have stress in his apartment. Smell not good, he said. He also noisy. And also he don't have enough money to rent another place because he pay now. Georgi, how much you pay now in apartment?
Usually 15,000. It's including electricity and water.
15,000 he pay for apartment including water and electricity. But also it's including it's already a room with full furnish, so he not need to buy refrigerator. So all have, but he said this apartment old, building is old, and many problem. And he don't have to enough money for to rent another more new. We're going to McDonald's. McDonald's Clark. Now we in the McDonald's Clark. We go to eat with Georgi. Thank you for watching and see you in the another video.